All right, well, there goes the Ego Select Cut family. And it is really about time that I actually do this review. I am so glad you guys waited. Thank you so much. I've owned this mower since January, so about 8 months, and I've been using it about 6 because obviously grass doesn't grow in January and February. This is the Ego Select Cut aluminum deck mower, and after using it for 6 months, I am going to be honest with you and tell you what I think. And there's the whole Select Cut family, by the way, right there. All 4 of these. I bought the first Select Cut mower, and that was one of my first reviews that allowed my channel to go viral. But let me stop talking. Let's go ahead and start sharing some feedback with you guys. Hi, it's Al from Tech Made Easy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. Hey guys, it's Al with Tech Made Easy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Well guys, it's about time. Not sponsored. We've purchased every single mower, and it's about time. I want to share some feedback with you on this mower. All right, this is the 2024 Ego Select Cut aluminum deck mower, and I'm going to start off by telling you I think it's amazing. I really do. It's a really awesome mower. It's not perfect. I'm going to share some things with you in the video. I'm going to go over things I like, I'll go over things I don't like, and I'll also go over some things I wish it had, or maybe what the perfect mower looks like. But guys, let's go ahead and get this party started. So here it is. I mean, this thing is a beast. 11.1 foot-pounds of torque, 1,400 watts, and RPM speeds that can go to 3,350. So this thing can go through anything, really. I mean, this is a beast. And I have to tell you, the new aluminum deck really adds the weight that's needed to keep this thing from bouncing, and it really helps with the cut. All right, I'll start there. I'll tell you, it did very well in our head-to-head also. We did a head-to-head versus Milwaukee, and I'll put the video image up right there. I hope you guys saw this. I'll put the link in the video description. And I'll tell you what, I'll even put a live link towards the end of the video that you can click and check this video out. But let me show you some of the work I did cutting the lawns. I want you to see, kind of what this did. So let me share some of that with you. All right, there she goes. And I'll tell you, I was so impressed as I used this mower over and over again. And as long as those blades are sharp, it did a really good job, I have to tell you. I was very, very happy. And it's a noticeable difference coming from the previous Select Cut mowers, I have to say. I didn't find many stragglers. The cut was very even. And the aluminum deck really keeps it down, limiting the bouncing to give you that really good cut, to be honest with you. Yeah, from time to time, I still use the previous model. I like the screen. I like the, the battery percentage, but look at the quality. I mean, this is really nice. I can't complain whatsoever. So I wanted to share that with you, and I appreciate you waiting so long, Thank you. So I'm going to start off on a positive note. Let me tell you what I like about this mower. All right, the cut. Hands down, the cut. Listen, the additional weight of that aluminum deck really limited the bouncing to give it a nicer cut, to be honest with you. The second thing I like the bigger wheels, They roll very well. All 4 wheels, 9 inches from the front to the back, so I like that. The power, I mean, this is a beast, 11.1 foot-pounds of torque, 1,400 watts, and speeds up to 3,350 RPM. And the other thing I like, too, is the ability, by the way, on the controls to switch to turbo when you want to. That's really, really helpful. You have to turn it off for a minute to do that. I wish you could do it on the fly. I don't really do the Bluetooth thing. I'm a tech guy, but I don't really do the Bluetooth thing, to be honest with you. But I love having the turbo option right there when you need it. So the other thing I like is the warranty. You get a 5-year warranty on the tool itself, right? And then you get a 3-year warranty on the charger. But on the battery, you get a 5-year. You just have to register it, by the way. And you get a lifetime warranty, and I think it's a limited lifetime warranty on the deck, the aluminum deck. So that's pretty cool. Again, don't forget to register. I do also like the 700-watt charger. That's really nice to have when you need it. I will tell you now, though, I'm a big fan of kind of slower charging. I would recommend, if you have time, use the 320-watt charger. Or the dual port charger. I'll put both of them up on the screen so you could see what they look like. I'll put links in the video description too if you want to pick them up. But and the battery for me lasted, 6,000 square feet, lasted with no problem whatsoever. So what do I not like? Listen, I bought this in January, okay? I think the experience when you buy it in January should be the same as when you buy it in August, but it's not. When I bought this in January, it came with no rear side discharge. It didn't come with the high lift blade. It did come with a sheet of paper saying I could actually, if I register it within 90 days, I would get the high lift blade. Okay, fine. But here's the problem. This thing has gone up. You see how expensive this is? It's $1,200 with the battery and the charger. And these used to be like $799 with everything, with the high lift blade, everything, rear side discharge. So they're making it too complicated. I think if you're going to raise the price, don't make people run around trying to figure out like how they get stuff. And I have to wait. It's nice that you can call and ask and you'll send it, but I don't like that part of the experience. Now, I don't like, for some reason, the weight. This is 91 pounds with the battery. All right, you're talking, I think it's 25 to 30 pounds heavier than these guys, in some cases 35 pounds. So if you're coming from a Select Cut and you're going to the aluminum deck, just be aware you're going to feel it. Again, I know the aluminum deck weighs more, I know, right? But the weight was a challenge. Let me also talk about the handle for a minute. Give me 1 second. So getting back to this, the handle, I'm just not a big fan of the handle. It's too long. In some cases, it's too long. When I went to put this on my truck, I would have to put it a certain way, So I like the older style handle. That, I know it's easy, but it overextends too much. I would have liked it to be collapsible. To be honest with you, if you go to the LM2167 SP, I like what they did here. So the wires are hidden, and when I want to lower the handle, I just open this up, I lower the handle, and then, this is easy, right? I just clip this, it folds down, it hardly takes up any additional space, so I like that. The handle, to me, I don't know, just too long. Again, easy, goes down, goes up, there's no bar in the middle. I know some people like that, but that's my opinion. The other thing I don't like, and again, some people are going to like this, but I don't like the height adjustment for the deck that you got to go to the front and the back. I got spoiled. I love this one-hand height adjustment. Some people say this is extremely accurate, and the way they did it. Again, I just don't like it. It is steel. It's very strong. It works well. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but to me, it's just a pain in the butt, Again, being a Select Cut guy, it's a pain in the butt. To me, I would rather just do this all day long. All the way up, all the way down. That's what I like. Now, one thing I really wish they put on this is this display from the LM2167 SP. I love this display. I love that it shows the battery percentage. And I've never had an issue with it. And yes, I mow with this from time to time. It's got a lot of nice features, right? The only thing that sucks is the Speed IQ. It sucks really bad. And we did videos on that. But I really, really like this display. So if you ask me what would the perfect mower look like in the future, this is what I would want. Number one, I want the digital display I showed you. I really like the battery percentage. I don't need Bluetooth, so I'd like to have that. The aluminum deck for sure, right? It just cuts right. One hand height adjustment. I don't need the front and back, but that's me. Touch drive self-propel system, which this has, so that works great. 8 height adjustments for the deck, maybe even 9 for some people that like to go down even lower. That would be good. 10-inch wheels in the front and the back instead of 9. All-wheel drive. I would love to have front and back all-wheel drive on the mower. And to top it off, I'd love to also see something else come that's a 28 or a 30-inch walk behind mower. I would love to see that. I think many people have talked about that, but that's what I would really like to see. So if you've watched the video, you know my final verdict. I recommend it. It's a really nice mower. And I'm sorry it took so long, but I wanted to use it. I have some health issues also that are ongoing. And don't worry, I'm not stopping anytime soon. I'm going to keep going. I love the channel. I love you guys. This is a nice mower for sure, with some very, very nice improvements. Again, the weight can be a challenge for some people, and I definitely recommend it. All right, as promised, if you want to watch this head-to-head video, I am going to put the word head-to-head in the upper right-hand corner in a moment. And when that pops up, all you got to do is click on it, and it'll bring you right to the head-to-head so you can watch it. It was fun. It's got bells. It's so detailed. It's got timestamps. All right, get ready. Here comes the word head-to-head in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that and watch the video. So guys, thanks so much for watching our video and staying in tune in the channel. If the video helped you in any way, please take a moment, give us a thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate it, by the way. I'll put our social media on the top. You can go ahead and follow us on social media and send us a message. That would be great. Let us know. I've got a Tesla channel in the upper right-hand corner. It's a new channel. Look us up at My Tesla Journey 1. And on YouTube, subscribe. Give us some time. It's going to take us some time to put more videos up. I will actually have a video here on the right if you want to watch it, by the way. And if you want to subscribe to our channel here at Tech Made Easy, I'm going to put a round Tech Made Easy logo right there. Just click it, subscribe, join the family, send us a message. Let us know, post a comment, say hello. Guys, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.